This is a review for Wednesday, the 12th of August, 2026. And we're going to do a quick review here on not necessarily these trades. Let me go ahead and get these off here right now. We will talk about those two. But right now, I want to talk about what that was. Okay. So right after 10 o'clock, the open here, we have already performed buy side liquidity, inline for value gap, inversion for value gap, right? And respected it once. I'm not gonna lie, because of all that, my attention was not where it should have been with this. But if we look right here, we created a 5-minute swing high just below this 5-minute, what is essentially a BPR. So let's go down to 1 minute and see what that looks like. When price trades up into this 5-minute BPR, this is now a 1-minute chart. When it trades up and into this, and it's going above some buy side liquidity. So we don't have one, but we have two things to look at here. Buy side liquidity and 5-minute BPR. When we do those two things, and then this right here, where we have created a gap going up into it, we've then closed below the gap right here. I do believe I'll have to get this part of the video out here, but I was just off by a couple of ticks, not even a full point, for setting my sell limit on this. Here is the live footage from me setting the sell limit. And you can't really see from here, but yeah, see how I have it just above? There it is, man. I'm just, if I would have set it correctly on the 50% the first time, I would have gotten tagged in. But as you can see, that's not the case. So, yep, that was my error on this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just let it play out so you can see it, what it does. I mean, you see it already on the chart before this video, but see these lows down here? That's exactly what we'd be aiming for. Short here, target these lows. And boom, baby. Beautiful. To be in this short and aim for sell side liquidity. And it just dumped in 2 minutes. It was actually really pretty, to watch live. But when we get this close below, we can start watching the low and then 50%. So if you come over here and we grab this, this is the low of the candle and price comes up right to the 50%. Okay, I mean about a quarter, yeah, 916.25, and hold on, the high. Oh, no, sorry. The high was 924.75 and the 50% was 925 flat. So a quarter of a point, right? That's it. And I had my stop or my limit, like I didn't move it quick enough. And granted, it was happened fast, but still, I should have been on it. And then it just wham down here. Beautiful, beautiful. And the thing is, it offered another area to go short over here, and I just did not trust it because we've already taken out this low. So I definitely did not even try to find this setup over here. But if you look real close, you don't even have to look that close. You can see this gap right here after taking buy side liquidity. See how this run comes up here and trades down, but it doesn't take out buy side. And then it comes up. That's getting a lot of people short, tripped and short, and they're putting their stops right above here. So it's not even really closing above this inversion for value gap with a lot of conviction. And then it trades back up, takes buy side, trades into this 1 minute now, okay, a BPR essentially is what it is. Call it what it is. And then takes off and it creates this civvy when doing so. And then just continues lower all the way up till we create this low here. and then finally kind of turn up and whatever. All I want to talk about is how this could have been done in 2 minutes, literally. Entry, right? Entry, so not even 2 minutes. Entry would have been on this candle, and TP would have been hit on the very next candle. So a little over 1 minute for that trade to hit TP is all that would have taken. That's very pretty. I'm just gonna leave this for this video, and I'll make another one talking, and I'll throw in the live. But essentially, just to make this very basic, 5 minute key range, buy side liquidity, 1 minute inversion for value gap, 50%, short target sell side liquidity. You can see on the 5 minute here, we do end up coming down below this low over here. And then once we take out this sell side liquidity, the 5 minute does not have an inversion for value gap over here anywhere to speak of, not even here, but we do create an inline gap here. Okay, that is a good sign that we're trying to dust this sell side. So anyone that's caught short here is about to get walked over with price going up higher. Price creates this high and then this high, relative equal highs, trades up, takes the buy side above these highs, and then creates this gap right here. Same thing that we just talked about here. Now it's trying to dust this buy side. So anyone caught long here is about to get walked on. Okay. This respects this 5 minute SIBI and then trades lower, creates another SIBI here. And you can see that it was quite a volatile day because price did reach up into this again before trading lower. So just one of those days, man.